Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I will show you how to create a Windows 10 installation media. It is mainly used to perform a Windows 10 clean install in the event the operating system can't start because of a critical error. You can check out my previous video on how to perform a Windows 10 clean install by clicking on the link in the description below. Here are the items that you will need. First, a Windows PC that runs either Windows 8.1 or Windows 10. Next, a USB stick with at least 8 GB of storage. I recommend that you use a blank USB because all the contents on it will be erased. You'll also need at least 8 GB of free space on your PC's local drive. This is because the installation media needs to be stored temporarily on the local drive before being copied over to the USB stick. And finally, a fast and stable internet connection to download the installation media. Okay, let's begin. First, open a web browser. In the address bar, type the URL aka.ms/Windows10 and hit enter on the keyboard. You will be redirected to a Microsoft website. Scroll down a little and click on the Download Tool Now button. You will see the media creation tool being downloaded at the bottom of the web browser. When the download is done, click on the file name to open it. If you see the user account control prompt, click Yes. The Windows 10 setup screen will appear. Read and accept the license terms. On the next screen, choose Create Installation Media for another PC and click Next. The options for system language, edition, and architecture are automatically selected to match the PC you're currently using. If you are creating an installation media for another PC, make sure these options correspond with the said device. To change any of these options, uncheck Use the recommended options for this PC. When you're done, click Next. On the next screen, Setup will ask you to choose which media to use. Plug in your USB stick, select USB flash drive and click Next. Please note that all files on the USB drive will be erased, so it's very important that you back them up before you proceed. Make sure your USB stick is listed here and click Next. Download process will now start, but this may take some time depending on your PC's performance and internet connectivity. When the media creation process is done, you will see a message stating that your USB flash drive is ready. Click Finish and you're done. That's all for today, and thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, check out my other tutorial on how to perform a Windows 10 clean install. Bye for now and stay safe.